Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to open HSBC bank account online in UK for international students. So let's get started. So now here we are in the website of hsbc.co.uk, which is the URL right here in order for you to get into this website and register or apply for the bank account. And from here, what you're gonna do first is you wanna click here on banking, accounts, and services. So from here, what you wanna do is you wanna find the international student account, which is this one. So you wanna click on this. And then from here, you will now be taken here into the international students bank account page. And from here, you would now be able to see the instructions, the features and benefits, and making banking a breeze with the app, understanding your finances at a glance, get a little more from your money, and so on right here. But what you want to focus here is this one, things to know before you apply. Right here, it's very important that you understand this, and who can apply right here. This is also very important because if you are not qualified here, that would mean that your application will be denied. So you must be 18 or over, have a valid ID and proof of address, and have read the important account documents below, which is right here. So make sure to also read all of this, which means that if you're applying from another country or region, please speak to your local branch to apply for an account, or you can apply online using the form below, which is this one right here. These are the not eligible for some account features if you remain resident outside the UK. So if these are one of your countries, then you are not eligible. Next is important account documents right here. So make sure that you would have this one right here. And then once you are now ready to apply, you have all of these checked out. Then now you can click here on apply now. And then we will now be beginning the process on applying here on the bank account in HSBC and the eligibility again. So just to double check, and the eligible countries, we have already discussed this, and informations and documents you may need for the application. So make sure that you have all of this on you. And then the next thing is, if you're applying from outside the UK, you'll need to provide certified proof of your address translated into English. This is very important. And then you can also find out here if in order for you to know which proof of address documents are accepted and how to certify your documents. Once you're all good, click on confirm and start. And from here, all you have to do now is provide your personal details about your identification documents and the requirements that we have discussed earlier. So those documents that you would need, this is where you would be providing them. So personal details right here, the title, your email address, title, first name, surnames, and so on. So basically the process here is very simple because all of this are just personal details. As long as you are all good with what we have discussed earlier with the eligibilities, the documents, as long as you have all that, then the process that you would have here would be seamless because you just have to provide that. And yeah, you don't need any special guidance for that. From step 1 to 5, all you have to do is just provide those. And once you are done with the step 1 to 5, you will now be able to open your bank account here in HSBC UK if you get accepted. And then after that, they will send you an instruction on how you can get your card, how you can get your account set up, and so on. So you just need to follow that. Depending on the personal details or the email or the other contact details that you have sent here, they might send the instructions there. So yeah, that is basically it for this video on how you can open your account here for international students in HSBC UK.